Hi there! In this video, I'll give you a quick guide on how you can point a Namecheap domain to WP engine. So the first thing that you will have to do is, of course, listen carefully to each step that I will be explaining because I will describe everything clearly so you can follow along. Before starting, make sure that you have the correct plan or version that supports this feature, and of course, make sure that you've already logged into your account. And once you've logged into your account, you will just have to go to your domains, and then you will click add domain, and then you will copy the CNAME and a record provided by WP engine. Then you will log into your domain to your Namecheap account, and then what you will have to do is you will go to the account settings and then click domain list and just wait for the site to load. And here you should see your domain list, and then what you will have to do is you will click manage, and then you will click advanced DNS, and after that you will add or edit a record and point to WP engine IP address, and then you will add CNAME record and point to your WP engine domain. And after all that, you will just have to save changes and wait for the propagation that will take up to 24 hours, and that's it. And after all that, you will just have to confirm the connection in WP engine, and the domain should now show connected. And yeah, that's it. Thank you so much for watching this video, and I really hope it was helpful. And if it was, please make sure to like and subscribe for more videos like this. Thank you and have an awesome day.